Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through Proton Pass. Now we're going to look at what Proton Pass is and how we can use it. What Proton Pass is and how we can use it step by step. Let's go. So what is Proton Pass? Proton Pass is a secure and privacy focused password manager developed by Proton Technologies AG. The same company is behind Proton Mail, which is for encrypted email. Here's a breakdown of Proton Pass and how to use it. Let's start with the key features. Strong encryption. Very strong encryption. Proton Pass uses end-to-end encryption to protect your passwords and other sensitive data. This means only you have the keys to decrypt your information. 2. Cross-platform compatibility. Proton Pass is available on various platforms including Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, iOS, and Android, ensuring seamless access across all your devices. The third feature we have is secure password generation. You can easily generate strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts using Proton Pass. Next, autofill. Automatically fills in Proton Pass automatically fills in login credentials on websites and apps, saving you time and efforts. It also has a two-factor authentication support. That is, it stores and autofills two-factor authentication codes for you. Secure notes. It helps you to store and organize sensitive information like credit card details, addresses, and personal notes securely. This is open source. The core code of Proton Pass is open source, allowing for independent security audits and community contributions. Now let's get into how to use Proton Pass. 1. Create an account. You need to sign up for a Proton Pass account. You can also create an account using your existing Proton Mail credentials. 2. Install the app or extension. Next, you have to install the app, that is the Proton Pass app or browser extension on your device. Next, which is the next step on how to use Proton Pass, is import existing passwords. This is optional. You can import your existing password from other password managers or browsers. Number 4, start storing passwords. Now we have two ways of storing passwords. We have the manual entry and the autofill. So manual entry means you manually add new login credentials for websites and apps, which can be kind of tiring, usually when you have a lot of websites and apps and you have a different passwords for them. Anyway, you can, in that case, just simply use autofill. Proton Pass can automatically detect login forms and offer to fill in your credentials. The next step, generate strong passwords. You can use the built-in password generator to create strong, unique passwords for each account. Next, you can access password. Access password. You can easily access and autofill your password across all devices. Now let's move on to the key security practices. Master password. Protect your Proton Pass account with a strong and unique master password. Next security practice is enable 2FA, which is two-factor authentication for your Proton Pass account, and that is for enhanced security. Next, regular review passwords. Do not forget to periodically review and update your passwords to ensure they remain strong and secure. Now, what are the benefits of using Proton Pass? What are the benefits of using Proton Pass? 1. Enhanced security. Strong encryption and privacy-focused features protect your sensitive detail, or in this case, data. Next, improved convenience. Autofill functionality saves you time and effort of putting in the passwords one after the other for each site or app. Next, enhanced online security. It helps to reduce the risk of data breaches and identity theft. Then we have strong passwords. Helps you create and manage strong, unique passwords for each account. By using Proton Pass, you can significantly improve your online security and streamline the digital life. Note, please, this information is for general knowledge and informational purposes only. I hope this comprehensive guide helps you understand and utilize Proton Pass effectively. So that's it for today, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel right now. Please, it's very important. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. Bye for now.